Hey guys, this is how to download all of your photos of your Facebook Messenger in your gallery. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is to simply open up your Facebook and log into your account, and at the home page click on the three lines at the top right corner, then scroll all the way down, click on settings and privacy. Now click on privacy shortcuts. So right here you have to just scroll all the way down until you will find an option of your Facebook information. Simply click on the access your information here. So now again scroll all the way down, intensively click on download your information here, and then you will be here at this interface. Here you have to just click on this option here, which is the repeat for me. So in this section you can see a lot of the options here, but we need to download the photos of our messenger. For this, what you need to do is to simply click on the messages option here and make sure that you have just UNCH, the other option here. So let me and check all the other options from here. So right after that, at the very bottom you can see an option of create folder, create file. You have to simply click on this option here, and right after that you will be here in the available copies. You can see here 38Y, which you can download all of your photos like it may be about hours. Now you have to just wait for some hours, and after some hours a download option is available here. So what you need to do, simply click on that option of download here, and right after that your all photos will be downloaded, and after downloading you will be able to check it from your gallery. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.